Hello, I'm Kevin. Welcome to the hair show. We're at the Food Lion Shopping Center, 817 Snell Hill Road, Unit C, Salisbury, Maryland, 21801. Perms are back and they're more gentle than they've ever been. They last longer. You can get a body perm. It gives you the volume that you never had, and it allows your styles that you create to last much longer. These are all the products that we carry here. I've tested every single one of them. One I want to highlight is made in Salisbury. The Shady Sun, you can get all of her products here. We offer the K18 peptide, and we have a retail version. You can take home and do it yourself, or you can come in and have the treatment done here. Another service that we offer is balayage. It has been popular for the past few years. It's a hand painting technique that is a lived-in lightning process. To keep up with the latest styles and trends, follow us on Facebook and Instagram at The Hair Show SBY, and don't forget to shop local Delmarva.